Now, here's how you can hide the preview of your messages on the iPhone. Let me guide you through it. And if this is your first time on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you become part of the community so that way you'll never miss anything important. So, of course, the messages, when you get like a notification, might already preview the contents of that. And if you want to change that, open up the settings app, like the general settings of your phone, and locate the notifications section. And right away, you could notice that there is the show previews menu. And this is actually what you are looking for. There are three options. There's the always, when unlocked, and a never. So this is pretty self-explanatory. If you never want to see the preview of your messages, then choose the never. Then when unlocked makes sense, because if you just have your phone locked somewhere on a desk, then the messages are going to be like blank as notifications, but always will always show what's in there. So that's cool and everything, but this applies to every single app. So if you don't want to change it for every application, you can instead scroll through the list of all of your apps below, and there is most definitely going to be the messages section. So you can leave the default settings as they were, but in here you get to choose the previews separately for messages only. So you might keep, for example, general previews to be showed when unlocked, but for the messages specifically, you might have decided that a never is the appropriate option. So that would be something that you can do. Let me know if you managed to find it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you later in the upcoming tutorials and videos like this one.